What if the ongoing loss of biodiversity started to disrupt the systems we rely on every day? Imagine a world where pollinators disappeared, threatening our food supply, or where weakened ecosystems left us more vulnerable to floods and extreme weather. These changes may not always be obvious, but they're already impacting nature, our economy, and society. Europe has set itself the goal of incorporating existing financial instruments into its biodiversity policies in order to create financial incentives to protect and restore biodiversity. BioCapital, a research and innovation action funded by the EU, recognizes that public funding alone can't solve the issue of biodiversity loss. That's why BioCapital is focused on creating financial tools driven by the private sector to help protect and restore biodiversity. The project works with use cases in Austria, France, Italy, Romania, Slovenia, and the United Kingdom. It unites researchers and innovators from 17 institutions in 13 countries. A key part of this project is combining Earth observation satellite data with advanced analytics. This will help monitor changes in biodiversity in real time and develop target conservation efforts where they're most needed. The project is developing innovative financial tools like biodiversity certificates, green bonds, payments for ecosystem services, and offset schemes. These aim to attract private investments in conservation and create social and financial benefit from adopting biodiversity-friendly practices. BioCapital will engage with local communities to test these solutions in its use cases across Europe. It connects policymakers, financial experts, scientists, and local communities to build a framework that aligns financial goals with the need to protect nature, ensuring a lasting impact. Biodiversity loss is not merely a risk. It's a problem we must not ignore. Private investment has the potential to play a transformative role in financing conservation and restoration efforts. BioCapital wants to utilize this potential. Let's benefit together.